Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making a natural dry shampoo. Ingredients you are going to need. If you have lighter hair, you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. If you have darker hair, you're going to want to use 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. 1 to 3 drops of essential oils. I'm going to provide a list down in the description down below, as well as a link to where you can get the best prices on these essential oils. You can use 3 drops of one single oil, or you can mix and match any of those 3 drops for any of those essential oils in the description down below. You're also going to need a 2-ounce salve jar. Real quick, guys, before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell. That way you don't miss out on any of our videos or projects. Also, down below for this particular project, I'm going to put different blends that I recommend for this project for different types of benefits that you want for yourself. Also, the best prices are found in the links in the descriptions, so make sure you check those out as well for both the essential oils and other ingredients that we use for these projects. First, you want to add your 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder to a glass jar. Next, add 1 to 3 drops of the essential oil of your choice. Mix together thoroughly, and then add to your salve jar. What is this good for, guys? You can use this just like you would use other dry shampoos. You can use an old makeup brush, apply it to the roots of your hair or other oily parts of your hair, leave it in for a few minutes, and then brush out the excess powder. Give it a shake, guys, and that is it. Another natural solution to a toxic problem. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell down there, guys. I really appreciate you guys visiting us today. Please come back and see the rest of our projects. Also, hit the link down below to get the best prices on our ingredients and especially our essential oils. They're the best essential oils in the entire world, I promise you guys. You won't regret it. We will see you next time.